What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Washmobile. It's Joey with Panthers Pro Wash. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the origin story that is Panthers Pro Wash. So, how did I get started doing this? Now, I don't know how I got started doing this. It's crazy. Anyways, I got started because I had a job. I was a background investigator doing stuff for the federal government, doing clearance work, stuff like that. Super dense, super boring, a lot of driving, a lot of typing. Basically, I was sitting on my ass all day and I was getting fat and I was losing my energy, and it was just bad. Which I'm sure a lot of guys, if you're not doing this, if you're working in an office and you wanted to get up and get out and do something for yourself, getting outside and doing a physical job, if you're able-bodied, is the best thing that you can do for yourself. Even if you're not able-bodied, you can still do some of the stuff, like, if for the most part, depending on what you got going on. So my inspiration for starting my business actually came from good old Keith Kalfas, who a lot of guys in the window cleaning, pressure washing industry know, and the landscaping industry, a bunch of different industries. Saw a video of his. I caught wind of it on Reddit, and I was like, what's this guy got to say? So I watched the video, and basically it goes on to say that for $100 you can start a window cleaning business. I was like, oh yeah, I can start a window cleaning business. I got $100. I want to quit my job. Well, yeah, let's do this. So I took my $100 and I went to Lowe's, did what he said. I bought a bucket, bought a squeegee, bought a scrubber, bought some towels, Dawn dish soap, water, all the basics for window cleaning. And then he said to get some good cards, so I went on to Vistaprint, made up some stupid card with my name, phone number on it, and the business name was the Window Hiders. And I gave myself the good old title Window Whisperer. Massive action, right? So I got about 100 of those cards, or 500 of those cards, and I started knocking on doors of businesses. One thing went to another. I grew my route, my window cleaning route, which is about every 2 weeks to monthly routine cleanings for people. At the peak of it, it was about $20,000, so about $2,000 a month, which is really good payday, especially if you're just starting out, especially if you don't have like a whole lot of mouths to feed or anything like that. But you can still maintain that. It was me and my girlfriend Casey. So it was just her and I. We were able to make rent. We were able to pay our bills and all that stuff. And I was the only one that was really doing the work. She worked too, but but I dialed that back once I got into my van. So funny story. When I quit my job, I had a Hyundai Sonata 2015 four-door sedan, and I put a ladder rack on that sucker, dropped the back seats down, so there was a 24-foot ladder on the roof, a four-door sedan, the pressure washer in the back with all the hoses, all the window cleaning stuff, everything that you need to do basic window cleaning in and out, with the water-fed pole and stuff like that too, in and out window cleaning and house washing. It's ridiculous. I have pictures. Maybe I'll put them in here, but then I upgraded last year to what I'm in now, which I am now dubbing the Washmobile. It is my 2000 Dodge Grand Caravan, and it's got plenty of room in it. It has 230,000 miles on it, and it runs like a champion. So it makes the life a lot easier. Point is, if you're going to be doing, or if you don't have the tools necessarily to get started 100%, like the way that you want to get started, that's no excuse for you to not get started. Like I said earlier, massive action. I had a goal. I wanted to start my own business. I wanted to quit my job. I did. I didn't have money saved up. Like, that $100 was basically the last actual cash that I had. Thank God for credit cards. That's a whole nother issue. But the point is, massive action. So you can still get started. You can still grow a successful business. You just have to go and do it. If I didn't get off my butt that $100 in squeegees and scrubbers and crap that I bought would have just been essentially trash. It does, like, tools don't make you money. You make yourself money by getting the jobs. The tools help you do the jobs, but you don't get the jobs unless you go get them. So anybody that watches that Keith Kalfas video, that's one thing that he doesn't tell you. Now, he goes on in other videos to talk about how I sold, what was it? It was like 42 accounts in 48 hours, which is it's an awesome video. And I'm not dogging on Keith Kalfas. Just make sure that you're prepared to do the actions that are necessary for you to achieve what you want when you went into this. So by knocking on those businesses, I grew that. People saw me out doing the window cleaning. They asked me for a card. I gave them a card. I got into their houses. One thing led to another. I got on Thumbtack, started generating leads that way. That helped out a lot. And now I'm doing like Google ads and all this other stuff and spending a lot of money, but also you make a lot of money when you spend a lot of money too. So hopefully this year I'll upgrade again to an actual real life upgrade of some kind of vehicle or, you know, cargo van, something like that. I love the Washmobile. This thing is awesome. It's done me no harm. Like it kicks a little bit when you try to push it a little bit too hard, just like an old horse, but I love it. Go do it. Go make your dreams come true. Go put out massive amounts of effort. Do a lot of stupid things. If they're stupid, you still did them. They will yield results, like the window whisperer. I can't tell you how many people actually hired me because of that. Anyways, appreciate it, guys. Have a great day. Hope to talk to you soon.